Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hisham. In today's video I'm going to do timing chain for the BMW X5. Let's begin the job. Please like, subscribe and comment and tell me something in the comment. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the timing chain from the engine step by step. And the next video it will be how to uninstall timing chain for this engine step by step. Okay? Enjoy and learn something today. Now I'm going to put the cylinder number 1 or 6 on the top. Okay? So I put screwdriver, long ones. You need to see those 3 dots on the front of the gears and on the back of the gears, and they come together like this. 1, 2, 3, and you have to see the part number of the camshaft on the top. Now starting to take off the gears and the chains and the guides. I show you how I do it. Those pins for the guide on the top, one will lock the guide, and one just the guide slide in it. But I like to take off 2 pins, so when I put back, I put some silicone around the thread so it doesn't leak any oil. You will see now the one on underneath leaking a little bit oil. So when I put silicone, it will be very good for stop leaking. Try to organize all the old spare parts, the gears and the chain and the guide on the pins on the table. So when you want to put the new ones, I mean a new timing chain kit, you can organize exactly the same. The old one, you put the new one, and easy to fit. Yeah, so you don't need to take a lot of time to prepare everything. So when you organize everything, it will be very easy. You will see in the video part 2 how I do it. Okay. Now time to remove the timing chain tensioner, and then I working on other gears. I like to tell you something very important for me. If you like this video and you feel the video it help you a lot and very helpful, please push the like button. When you push the like button, this video will go up, and then a lot of people will watch this video and get help, learn something from the video. Very good thing. But if you like the video and you didn't push the like button, this video will go down straight away and people will not find the video to watch it. So if you want me to be very excited to make a lot of videos like this, push the like button if you like the video. Okay, and thank you very much. You see how I do organize the chain and everything, the guide and all the gear on the table. Do organize the spare parts like this for the engine, the old one, and then when you get the new spare parts for the engine, you know easily how to put them in the right place, so easy just to fit in the engine. And you do how easy for you, but I do like this. This tool for remove the gear of the diesel pump. This one easy, just put the tool on the thread and tie it all the way, and then release or loose, take off, I mean the gear bolt for the fuel pump, for the diesel fuel pump. Okay, for the diesel pump. It's a very good idea to mark the guide where the pin goes, because this guide has 2 holes and the other guide has 3 holes. So just mark the pins where it's go in the guide. Okay, so it will be easy to put back the new guide, because if you put in the wrong holes of the guide, it will not fit right. Okay, I mean mark the chain guides where the pins go in. Okay, Just I'm going to mark the gears again from front and from the back, and make sure I'll show you exactly how I mark the gears. Remember, very important, this oil pump gear, it's left threaded, okay? So if you wanna take off the bolt, you have to like normal tie the bolt. That's mean you're taking off the bolt, okay? So you take off the bolt, not tying. You're taking off the bolt, not losing the bolt, not tying the bolt. It will be losing because it's left threaded. In the video part 2, I show you the marks for the fuel pump, for the diesel pump, inshallah, okay? Because there's marks on the fuel pump gear should be exactly on the other mark. It's very good to make sure the turbo has no space, no plane, okay? If a plane, that means the turbo no good. The upcoming video, it will be for this engine, how to install a new timing chain kit, okay? I will show you everything step by step, and it will be very good video, inshallah. I see you soon. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and tell me something in the comment. I see you in the next video. Have a good day. Good night.